Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. In relation to a video that I made about the reliability of the 2000 DTI engine, someone he asked me about the reliability of the 1700 DTI engine. Well, the 1700 DTI, like the one you see here, all these engines had a problem, and it was a problem with the injection pump control unit, which is located on the back of the engine. In that area of the engine it is very hot, and what that heat causes is that some of the welds on the control unit come loose. The solution was to disassemble it and re-weld those welds that had come loose. And that is how they had solved the problem. We have also changed a few solenoid valves of the injection pump or high pressure pump. Those solenoid valves were also problematic, but it is for the same reason, because of the heat in that area. But even so, it is a fairly reliable engine. We have had a couple of clients with these damaged engines, but it was because the distribution had broken. But not because of the engine, it was because the owners thought it had a timing chain, just like the 2000 DTI engines had. And no, these engines have a timing belt, and if you don't change it, it ends up breaking. Up to 300,000 kilometers they are very reliable engines, and after 300,000 kilometers people start selling them, because that's when they start to break turbos. They start to leak oil, especially because of the injector joints, because they usually start to have internal pressure problems in the engine, due to the PCV, which is integrated into the valve cover, also had gasket problems. But as I said, up to 300,000 kilometers, it is an engine that, except for what I have told you about the control unit and the injection pump solenoid valve, did not usually cause major problems. Perhaps some of us have also seen EGR problems, but hey, EGR problems that in the end, all the engines that have them give these problems, and after 300,000, also other engines, or most of the engines, tend to start breaking turbos, but in general, it is a good engine. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.